Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry, the topic that is about the vector. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the dot products. So we have vector A and vector B with the dot product. So that means we need to use about coefficient and we need to multiply based on s, y, and z. That means number 2 will multiply by number 4 plus number 1 multiply by number 2 and negative number 1 with negative number 2. So we calculate this one and we have number 12. The next one we need to find the angles. So we have cosine alpha. That is about the dot product between vector A and vector B over the magnitude of vector A and the magnitude of vector B. So we know that this one we just calculate and we have number 12. So the magnitude of vector A, that should be about the square root of the sum of the power number 2 of the coefficient in here. That means we have 2 square plus 1 square plus negative number 1 to the power of 2. Now we do similar for vector B. So we have 4, 2 and negative number 2. So this one we have the square root of number 6. This one we have number 2 with the square root of number 6. So we calculate this one and we have number 1. So alpha equal to a cosine of number 1. So we calculate this one and we have number 0. That means this one and this one, they are on the same line together. This is the end. Thank you for watching.